Help me. TV guy knows how to fix this. TV guy knows how to fix this, bro. What's good? Did you try to make a squatted? No, I just had people run into me and it just glitched. I need to start running into people at full speed. The people need to run into me. Rear end me at full speed. That's how you do it. Rear end me at full speed. Rear end me. Rear end me in a really fast car at full speed. Bro! Holy. Hit me at full speed in fast car or truck glitch. In fat car or truck glitch? In fast. It's too low? Bro! Bro, no! Yeah. Alright, delete him, delete him. Delete him, delete him. I can't drive, I can't drive. I can't drive. It's stuck. Holy. Bro, what? Double stack? Dang. Yes, yes, front, front, front. Okay, one. No! Stop, 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 stop. Okay, front, now we need the back. We need the back. One more. Yes, yes, no. Nah, it got broken more. Two now. Holy, y'all gotta stop flipping it. Let me get on the road so I can actually drive after. Okay, this cop car needs to move. Cop needs to move. Badly. Cop needs to move badly. How about no? I added you. I give my 5+. Okay, hang on. No. No, bro. We know this one works, so we got it. Yes, rear end me, rear end me. Here, Jay, stop. Here, Jay, Grievo guy, come, Move. Grievo guy's gotta come rear end me. Come on, Grievo guy, you got this. No. Come on, my controller, bro. Here, let me just cruise. No. I need to literally just ram into this Mercedes, bro. BRB, don't turn, I'm coming in the charger, okay. Come on, work. Yes, one. One. Here, let me cruise this way. We got one. Oh, it pulls too much to the right. Pulls too much to the right. Somebody's gotta hit me now, right? Come on, we need that plaid. Yes, no. Yes, no. Here. Truck glitch now, then hit after. Truck glitch now, then hit after. After. Just don't get it under me. Bro! Come on! Who just hit me? Come on, move, Charger, move. Here, I need to drive. I need to be driving. You don't need to hit me. You don't need to rear end me. Y'all need to rear end me, bro. Bro, I can't believe I ruined it. Oh me on that end, bro. Sandwich. Glad sandwich. Oh, no, that's not. Yo? Wait. Squad truck. Truck me. Do not hit me. Follow me to meet. Bro, W. Bro, squatty truck. Squatty truck. Holy. Squatty Cummins. Talking with ate this. No! So I hit a pole, so it's no longer squatted. Now I gotta fully slam it. So I hit a pole, so it's no longer squatted, so now I gotta fully slam it. I need that Tesla to rear me or that Mercedes or something. No! Don't tell me. Did I cook myself? Oh, crap. Holy, 7:30 already. I haven't even been streaming that long. Wow, it's almost been an hour already. Come on, Plaid's gotta hit me. Plaid's gotta hit me. Plaid's gotta hit me. Plaid's gotta hit me into a pole. Come on, come on. No, it didn't work. Yes, come on, please, please. No! This dang front wheel. This dang front wheel. I need to get flung. Someone fling me. Someone fling me. No, bro, why'd you swerve? Alright, I'm going. Come on, fling me, fling me, fling me, fling me. Dang it. Holy lag. Yes, yes, yes. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. Slam truck me. Slam truck me. Get your... Hey, bro. Slam truck me time. What's good? Art to awesome. Yo, B-man, should I start posting my art? I'm too lazy. I'll text you if you want. What's good that BMW guy? We're doing a slam truck me now. Bro, if I get hit, I'm sad. Slammed truck me. No cars. Okay, bro, the Teslas? Come on. Get out of here. Okay, bro, I'm about to kick that Tesla. Go buy one. I don't know. Go buy. Here. Go buy. Go buy one. Go buy one. Slammed trucks only. Slam trucks only. Slam trucks only. Should I do an expedition if you want? Or, truck me in a few. Go build your trucks. Bro, can this Tesla go? Tesla, move. Bro, can this Tesla please move? Or I literally teleport it to Narnia? Bring. I hope that's the right. Who said I don't have a truck? Yeah. Bye. 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 You're cooked. Bring. You're cooked. Have a nice day. That ain't slammed. That ain't slammed. That ain't slammed. Go slam that down. What's good, Remix Mohammed? We're doing a slam truck meet now. So yeah, this is my truck. It's low-key tucking. The hitch is in the ground. It's got a flyer truck, you know what I'm saying? That Ram 2500. W rig. How can I even slam this? Y'all can either hit each other to slam your trucks, or go slam them in suspension tuning. Y'all can either hit each other to slam your trucks. Oh, that's fun. Also, RIP Tesla wheel. Yeah. Go. Yes. No, bro. Why'd you swerve? Why'd you swerve? Why'd you swerve? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Bro, everyone. Here. Everyone park here first. Everyone park here first. Everyone park here first. Better for a pick. Better for a pick. What's good, Anna Patricia Vizcara? Oh. You. No. Here. You can. That's fine. You can put it back if you want. I don't care. Everyone park here. Oh, shoot. Okay. Shoot. Bring J. Thank you. Yeah, yo, hi. Human, please friend. No, do not hit my car, bro. That's crazy. Send me a friend request, BMW guy. Send me a friend request. Pin at the top of the chat. Here. Everyone park here first. I'm gonna park here first. I'm gonna park here first. Park here. Yes, park here first. No, cop car. Everyone park here first. I'm gonna park here first. This side. No, you're good in the block truck. You're good. We need Jay. No, bro. Bruh. In a spot. Dang. In a spot, bro. In a spot. Thank you, bro. Remember the game made me go through under the map. Shoot, my fault. It's pending. Okay, hang on. Yeah, so I don't have a friend request, so copy paste my name and try it again. I don't know what to tell you, because I didn't get it. I didn't get the name, or the friend request, so yeah. I guess, yeah, W works. Go. Bro, we need one more. We need Jay. Oh, he's coming. Yes, bro. Yes. Park up. Holy W. Here. Everyone behind me. Bro. Actually, hang on. Shoot. Signal to play. In the tax office. Everyone in here. Everyone in here. Same rules apply. Bro, do. Go, please. Go in there. Go, thank you. Holy W. I don't want that way. Try this again. Hang on, bro. I haven't gotten it. Thumbnail. Yeah, you're not actually sending it to me. No, it ain't. I don't have the notification. Give me your user. BMW guy. Give me your username, please. Rating time. Bro, what is the username? Give me the username. It's not in my notification. That's the username? Okay. Give me a second, bro. Okay, I accepted it. Okay. Excursion 9/10. Low key clean IDKY. Excursion 9 out of 10. Low key clean. I don't know why. Cop truck 4. Ford F250. F250. 6.8. F250 at 6.8. Fox Mountain 9.5. Oh, Fox 9.5. Mountain 9.5. Goofy 9.5. My truck is 14 million. 9 billion. 15